corroborated
degree of divorce on the ground the cruelty
it was granted
as pleaded was denied by the trial court. Fine.
it was decided in my favor in 2002.
Denied by the trial court.
Probably learned
Degree of divorce was denied.
And granted by the High Court in 2022.
Now come to the judgment of the High Court.
Well, can you bear with me? The issue, every issue was decided in my favor, my lord. Probability and everything. Please kindly come to the judgment passed by the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana.
Read, please.
At,
Please kindly read.
at page 1 minus impugn judgment. Kindly have para 7 months after the submissions, my lords. Para 7 at page 9, my lords.
That is a factual past.
Factual part, my lord.
Need not to go. Come to
Next
para
one.
9.
Yes, my lord. Para 8. Heard, learned counsel of the parties at length. 9. May I read one para from the para 10 months observations? Para 10 months.
Wherever you want to read.
Para 10 months. The issue of this is the whole operative part of the judgment. The issue of the consideration of the present appeal would be whether the relationship of the husband and wife has come to an end, and if the respondent wife is not ready to give a mutual divorce to the appellant husband, whether this fact is hers would amount to cruelty towards the appellant husband, keeping in view the fact that she is not staying with her husband for the last 16 years. There is no scope that they can cohabit as husband and wife. Cohabit as husband and wife. But my lord, kindly have para 11 to 16. Everything was about the citation and judgments, my lords. Now, kindly have para 17. So,
Yes.
11, 12, 13, 14 was the citation. The case is not identical, circumstances was different. Para 17. In the present case, marriage between the parties had broken down irretrievably, and there is no chance of their coming together and living together again, full stop. Further, not to grant decree of divorce would be disastrous for the parties.
Yes.
Short objection only, without touching any of the issues decided by the trial court, district court.
Yes.
Well,
Now coming on the merits of the case.
well, coming-
Suppose what were the pleadings? This pleading her of cruelty. Now what is the evidence regarding cruelty brought? Please show that evidence.
Nothing is on the record, my lord.
So please let us, nothing, this is your argument.
Yes, madam.
All right, we'll take on. Next,
But
other side.
Bear with me for a minute, my lord. I try to-
We are asking what is the pleading of cruelty and what is the evidence? You are saying nothing. This is your argument. We accept it as your argument.
I will.
We go the other side.
Yes.
What we can do? We cannot go and investigate something now.
Correct.
If you don't want to show any document on that, what we can do?
Yes.
What we can do? Let us understand, Mr. Advocate. We will go to other side. Please tell us what is the evidence.
Evidence was, my lord, it was related by the district court. That
Think the-
aunt said
No district court, please evidence we are asking. What is the evidence brought on record
only the
of
statement
cruelty?
of aunt and uncle.
Please show that statement and show that this is not cruelty. This doesn't fall within the purview of cruelty. Please show that. You will understand. Which page and which para? Which page and which para, please?
The district court judgment, my lord. Para 28
Para 28 of the judgment.
for the judgment.
Probably Learned Counsel, you are appearing in Supreme Court. Understand? Once we are asking something, you would have understand that. We are asking what is the evidence. Evidence doesn't mean you will read the judgment. You are appearing in a Supreme Court. It's not necessary we have to say everything.
I don't know, I don't have the trial court file.
Then it's all right. We'll look into what we can do. Yes, that is all. You want to cite any judgment?
Yes, sir, I will.
Give the judgment. This is the assistance in a Supreme Court. Yes.
Well, I'm living, the district court observed in 2010 that I'm living at my matrimonial home at Ajitpura in district Bhiwani. And in 2022, it is again certified by the Gram Panchayat Sarpanch through a letterpad with certificate that
Probably Learned Counsel in a civil side, you would have appeared and argued now. What we can look into,
On
whatever the pleading and the evidence brought on record and the exhibits which is a part of the suit. If any additional document is there, is it a procedure prescribed for that or not? Have you followed that? Or you will show us in a court, please see this. Can we look into? No, so then why you are arguing on that?
But the whole case of the respondent relied on in High Court.
You mean to say that still you are residing in Ajitpura?
Yes, my lords.
Then where are you serving?
Serving it at Faridabad as a temporary lecturer, my lord, temporary contract basis.
So how can you live at both the places?
Because it's on
Where is
weekends I use-
Ajitpura?
Yes, Ajitpura is in Bhiwani.
Bhiwani.
Bhiwani, how far from Faridabad?
It is 1 hour away from the Faridabad, my lord. And I used to go there.
Up down करते हैं.
No, on weekends, my lord, on the monthly basis or weekends. I have the house there. It is. But filing grievances, filing complaint against the husband, my lords.
No, please, we are dealing with a divorce case. On the point of the cruelty,
Yes.
we can understand when we deal with this case, what is the pleading regarding cruelty and what is the evidence on that fine. Then you can say the finding of the trial court is just and High Court is not just. We can understand. You can say this is a judgment of the Supreme Court in which such type of allegations and evidence doesn't fall within the purview of the Supreme cruelty. We can understand. But this way we cannot understand. We are very clear to explain you. If you want to explain, we can ask you again, please show us, this is a pleading, this is the evidence, and this is the law. Please show this. We are ready to hear, but we are not ready to hear on the point on which you want to argue in the manner. Please, with all respect, we are saying,
Allow me the opportunity to argue.
please make your submission, show the pleadings. What was the pleading?
But give me the.
Then why you started the case today? We can take up another case. You have taken 15 minutes for no reason. क्यों इसका record है क्या? हैं? You have a record of this.
We should please the record. But primarily, if I can take just 2 minutes, High Court has gone primarily on 2 aspects. One is,
Mr. Huda, you would not be in a position to answer of the query.
that's right.
You know this thing.
I realize that, but I need the record before this honorable court.
All right,
That's right. Let us get the record.
we know that you would not be in a position to answer.
That's right.
लिखिए मैंने counsel appearing on behalf of the party shall file the relevant record within 2 weeks, including pleadings, evidence, and the document brought during trial. Full stop. List thereafter for hearing.
Grateful man.
And a humble request, learned counsel, we